Rubian's fish is a kind of fish that lives in salt water, actually very salt water. In this experiment, we will try to create a suitable atmosphere for the eggs of the Rubian that are also called as shrimp eggs, so they can hatch easily and fastly, and after that we can study them closely. In this experiment, we used the instruments that you can see on the screen. First of all, we brought a glass of water. Second, we added 2 spoons of salt and we mixed well. The aim here is to prepare an appropriate hatchery in order to hatch fine eggs. Third, we added a spoon of baking powder in order to make the hatching faster, and we mixed well. After that, we brought the shrimp eggs and we added a small amount of them into our salt solution. We noticed that the shrimp eggs changed from brown to white. This means that it's the end of the first stage. So we moved the shrimp eggs and put them into a clean new hatchery to observe the changes. We observed that our shrimp eggs now are like big, thick, white nails, as you can see. That explains the changes in the second stage, as we know. So, what we did to continue our experiment is to bring some pure water and added it into the second part of the hatchery. After this, we added some salt into the water, and we did this because we wanted to keep the original concentration between salt and water. This is what the shrimp eggs needs actually. Of course, we mixed the solution well. Then, as you can see, we picked up the eggs in the second stage that are ready now, and we put them into the second part of the hatchery in order to observe the changes that will occur during the third stage. Now we have to wait another week, then to continue our experiment in the third stage. We know that in this stage, the third stage, there is a small incomplete fish which appears, as you can see. But what was shocking is that we observed the detailed changes to our eggs from the second stage into the third stage. After this third stage, we have to wait for about 10 days, and after that we would have a complete Rubian fish. Since we have reached the fourth stage, which is the final stage, we are supposed to have a complete adult Rubian fish. This is what you can see in the picture. But when we tried to study this fish, it died unfortunately, so we couldn't have an animated clip for it. Anyway, finally we had our adult Rubian fish. We can also notice from the pictures that we have two different kinds of the Rubian. The orange is a male adult and the dark blue is a female adult.